Very good. Pound is going up. Remember one thing. You will always ignore the second currency so that you never get confused. Why is that? Because if you look at shares, okay, for example, Singtel. If the share price is 1.9455 and if it goes up to 1.9555, we know that the price of Singtel is going up, correct? Now you'll never see Singtel / M1, correct? So shares is pretty straightforward, am I right? So how do you make it simple? The way you make it simple is, in currencies, you ignore the second currency as if it doesn't exist. It exists, but you ignore it. Aye? So if I ignore dollar, and if this number is going up, and only pound exists, dollar doesn't exist, that means what is going up? Pound is going up. Now if pound is going up, that means where is dollar going? Down. So that's something you must not forget. Aye? Okay? So we have calculated our gains, but the question is, to make this 100 pips, what is our capital? So we're going to find that out as well, isn't it? Okay, so what is our profit? We made 100 pips. For a standard contract, it is 100 times 10, which is 1000. For a mini contract, it's 100 times 1, which is 100, correct? That's what we just saw, right? However, we still need to find out our investment. So let's come back to the contract specs. Now over here, for pound US, the minimum size or the minimum quantity that you can buy is 100,000 pounds. And for mini contracts, the minimum is 10,000 pounds. Now obviously, from Monday onwards, if I tell you, you need 100,000 for a standard and 10,000 for a mini, that's a lot of money, isn't it? Yeah? Now, you don't need 100,000 and you don't need 10,000. Can you see my screen? You just need 1% of 100,000 and 1% of 10,000. So, when you're trading the pound US, for a standard contract, your investment is 1% of 100,000, which is 1,000 pounds, and for mini contract, it's 1% of 10,000, which is 100 pounds. Got it, everyone? Yeah? Okay, let's take a complete example. Okay, let's say you go to the money changer, and the money changer tells you the exchange rate for Euro US today is 1.232023. Okay, so that's the exchange.